You guys, today is closing. I'm getting ready and I'm gonna upload, edit, and drop it today so you guys can have it. So I don't have to be alone in my, I don't even want to call it a celebration because it don't feel like a celebration, but I guess final. It ain't even final. I don't know what it is, but whatever. I am going with stud and spiked on my braids. And yes, if you're new to my channel, hello to my braids, honey. This is me. Look out, cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat of drum. I'm not scared to be me. I make no apologies. This is me. This is not gonna be like no whole get ready, honey, because it's a process. Even for like a natural beat, it still take a minute, because I am gonna go and of course try to take a few pictures for my blog. Oh, my website is so pretty. Oh my gosh. The blog will probably have it up first just because it's the blog and I want it to do well. Oh my gosh, I think like 1,500 of you guys subscribed, which is like exceeded my expectation. Like, the web designer, he was like, well, what if it was only 300? I said that was gonna be good to me, because I was like, oh, okay, well, you know, looking at views and comments, I'm like calculated about 150 people just off of that, you know. You guys just like exceeded my personal expectation, so thank you. I know I'm gonna continue to say thank you, so don't be like, she keep repeating her. Yeah, I'm gonna keep saying thank you because I'm super grateful. Because anytime I do anything, I'm always like, oh gosh, is this gonna work? There's always like a level of fear in it, but I don't let it stop me. I just do it and I'll fix the glitches as I go. Thank you too. This is, I told you guys about the 3-in-1 concealer from the bakery. I'm actually really loving it. It's really nice. And then I'm also using this is Becca. Yeah, Becca. This is actually a darker shade. I don't know if you guys can see that. A lighter shade. Alright, so my brows are basically finito. Again, all I'm gonna do is really focus around my eye area, and then whatever makeup is left over, I'll go ahead and apply it. I am all done. I like it. And it's so crazy because there's so many steps, even though it's still like natural. And I know what someone's gonna say, oh my god, you have all that makeup on. Listen, let me live. God, oh my god. Anyway, what was I gonna say? Oh, the other day I was going out with my mom, and she was like, are you gonna put it on your head? I was like, no, what's the problem? I think my braids are actually cute. Even, that's why I have her do it so neat. I mean, I washed my hair the other day, so it's a little frizzy right now. But I think they're super cute. I don't see them being like a problem. I would definitely clean the house like this, cook like this, or whatever, like, you know. I love being able just to put my wigs on when I have something to actually do, and then take it off and let my hair breathe, okay? But yeah, it's all done. Y'all, I'm getting gas. I wanted to say something amazing, but I don't know. This is the last time I'm gonna be getting gas as a living with my mama girl. Next time I'm gonna be getting gas, I'm gonna be a homeowner. Y'all, I'm gonna be so extra, so just forgive me, okay? Let me pump gas. I'm gonna be The people who always comment like, you're so annoying. Today we're gonna be extra annoying just for you. I know y'all been waiting for that video. People be like, did she close? Did she close? Why do y'all do that? Why do y'all comment, did she close? Like, it's not my page. Like, I'm not gonna see the comment. I'm gonna see the comments, y'all. Like, I'm gonna see the comments. Did she close on her house? Yeah, let me get in the car, y'all. Ooh. You guys, it's done. We're gonna open the garage, but first I gotta eat because I didn't eat all day and I'm hungry. I'm hungry. That was amazing. That was amazing. So I'm gonna go eat. I wonder if I can go all the way around. I wonder. Hey. All right, so listen, I'm about to hit the highway because I'm gonna go to the house. So I'm gonna cut you guys off, but the next time y'all see me, I'll probably be doing backflips, even though I can't do backflips in the house. You guys will get to see everything. Like, this is kind of surreal. I didn't cry. I was surprised I didn't cry, but I haven't cried yet. But I'm sure when the bills come, I'm gonna shed one little tear. Okay, I have to record this because this is my first time opening. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness! Okay, not your first drive, girl, because you're not a drive. Okay. I got us on my drive. Oh my goodness. So you know I'm gonna be a little extra and burn my Joe Malone because I had gotten this like a few months ago. Oh my gosh, and it smells so good. It smells so good. Huh? The peony and blush suede. I'm not gonna move anything in the house for like another 2 to possibly 3 weeks, and that's because the flooring is gonna get done. I don't know, you probably noticed it. I'm not gonna talk about it anymore after this particular video. It is what it is. People just gonna have to feel how they feel. You know, there was a part in my walkthrough where I was just talking and I had the camera down, just being really respectful to the realtor. And he himself even said it, like, yeah, you can see some of the seams and stuff. He said the floor does look nice, but I get it. If you have an opportunity to change it, I would change it now. And I'm like, yeah, because again, if I was gonna upgrade it, I should have done the 8mm. And anyone who's ever put flooring down, this makes sense to you. When you're in a house, nice shouldn't really cut it. You know, it needs to be done. It needs to be done right. And I do want the hardwood flooring, so that's what I'm finna do. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get the pots out, and then I'm gonna spray down here really quickly. I won't post the cleaning part, but I will post the putting the pots away in my new kitchen, in my new kitchen, in my new kitchen. put these up. Yay! Put these up. Yay! And I put these guys in here. And these guys in here. And then lastly, this guy. I have a few more pieces, like this one's over here. Candles burning over there. All right. There's a house. It's a house. OMG. OMG. I'm gonna have to get my assistants. You guys! Oh my goodness! Oh.